Hello, today we are solving Jan 2022 Unit 2 IAL paper. Question number D. Okay, calculate the expected profit for the option A for the 6-month tourist season. What will be the expected profit? Okay, let's calculate it that. So that is going to be equal to revenue, okay, less variable cost and fixed cost. We have two types of cost. We have variable cost and we have the fixed cost. Okay, so revenue minus this two costs, it is going to be giving the profit. This is cost of sales. Cost of sales will be revenue variable cost plus fixed cost here, and that is going to be equal to, and then you less cost of sales from the revenue, you will get the profit. Now the revenue, let's calculate the revenue. So the revenue is going to be, we know that the actual sales is 28,800 customers. We had already calculated in the earlier. So it was 180 days, 4 tours per day and 40 customers are coming, okay, and they are going to pay 8 pounds per ticket. So that is the actual sales. So that is going to be equal to 28,800, okay, customers are going to be there and they are going to pay 8 pounds per ticket. So the value is going to be equal to 230,400. Next one is the variable cost. Variable cost, we saw that 35% of the sales ticket. So let's calculate that. So 35% of this 230,400 will be his wage. So that is going to be equal to 86,400. And then we have the fixed cost. We calculated the total fixed cost in the first part. So the total fixed cost was 57,600 customers were there, okay, 57,600 was the total cost, okay, 57,600 was the cost. So let's write it here. So the total fixed cost was 57,600. So the cost of sales is going to be equal to this variable cost plus fixed cost. So that is going to be equal to 144,000. So 144,000. Now let's calculate the profit, okay, by subtracting it from the revenue. So that is going to be equal to so 230,400 minus 144,000, that is going to be equal to 86,400. So the profit is 86,400 pounds.